This has been something that we've been working on for a number of years, with the focus being performance and durability that is up to the expectation of you and all of our users in the field. So today, the wait's finally over. We're excited to announce the M18 Fuel 21 degree and 30 degree cordless framing nailers. Can we get a little excitement? Come on, guys, that's awesome.
We'll be excited when they go through the double LVL.
That's when you'll be excited?
That's right.
All right, well, why don't we start with that? First and foremost, we'll talk about performance. Knowing that things like LVL, LSLs, PSLs, all of your engineered stuff is becoming more commonplace on site, we knew we had to deliver tools that had the power to deal with these dense materials. So that's the first thing that we'll show off for you today. This is a 3" by 131. Is that deep enough? What do you think, Kyle?
Well, looks deep.
Looks deep. You've got adjustment on the front for sure. Now, power's only part of the story. It's great to have the power to deal with these LVLs, but you want to be able to work quickly with your cordless framing nailers, right? So one thing that you'll notice with both the 21 degree and the 30 is that these fire at 3 nails per second. It's going to be your fastest cordless framer in the market, bar none. It's really going to act to bridge the gap between some of the more supplemental options that are available today and your full production pneumatics. We'll show that off as well. There we go.
Nice.
Finally!
That's pretty good.
And the best part about this is that it's completely battery operated. There's no gas cartridge, there's no consumable, that means no maintenance, no cold weather issues. All you need is an M18 battery and nails and you're ready to work. Now I mentioned we have the 21 degree and the 30 degree. That's to address any of the regionality. There's different regional preferences within the framing nailer category. But on top of that, we've got a couple of accessories which you can see installed here that will be launching alongside the framing nailers. So they'll ship out of the box with your compact magazine. It'll take 1 strip of nails. As we started field testing the prototypes, one of the first questions we got was, hey, these things are really powerful, they fire really quickly, but I'm reloading the magazine all the time. Can you give me a longer magazine to give me that capacity that my pneumatics have? That's exactly what we've done. So we'll also be offering extended capacity magazine for both of the framing nailers, 21 degree and the 30, that'll accept 2 full strips of nails. Very easy to put these on. All you have to do is take the 2 bolts out of the top, bolt out of the magazine the same way you would clear a jam, put the longer mag on, and there you have your full magazine capacity.
Thank you.
You're welcome. These will be shipping before the end of the year. Looking at the Q4 time frame as both a bare tool and a 1 battery kit with an XC50. You'll get about 700 nails per charge on an XC50 battery.